chocolate moist recipe for today's video. So prepare tayo ng ating mixing bowl at ang ating pangsala. So we will be needing 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Salain natin ng mabuti besh. Make sure na walang buo-buo. Next naman, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Sunod naman nating salain ang ating half cup Dachey Special Cacao Powder and half cup Dachey Premium, or you can also use dark cacao powder. Next naman is 1.5 cup brown sugar. You can also use washed sugar, but for me, dark or brown sugar is pack na pack for Choco Moist cake. Maglagay din tayo ng half teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness. Then afterwards, halu-haluin ng mabuti ang ating dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients naman, we will be needing 2 medium eggs. Erekta na natin dito sa ating dry ingredients. Kailangan din natin dito ng half cup of oil, 1 cup of cowbell evaporated milk. Itaktak natin ng mabuti besh para walang sayang. Gagamit din tayo ng 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon ACC Favorite chocolate flavor. So pagkatapos naman nating haluin ng bahagya, ngayon naman mag-a-add po tayo ng 1 cup of water. Bale, half cup po kasi yung ginamit ko dyan. So 2 buhos yung ginawa ko. So a total of 1 cup of water, alright? Halu-haluin besh, make sure not to overmix. Yung tamang pag-combine lang ng ating wet and dry ingredients, sapat na. Okay? At para naman hindi mabigla ang ating cake mixture, sabay ko pong binuhos ang ating 1 cup hot water and half cup warm water. Sunod ko din pong binuhos dyan yung ating another half cup of hot water. Pwede pong paghaluin yung mga sukat ng tubig bago ilagay. So, yung hot water natin is 1.5 cup and then half cup warm water, right? Halu-haluin lang natin ng mabuti. Make sure na walang buo-buo and please make sure not to overmix. And then afterwards, add na po natin ang ating 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Haluin lang natin ng bahagya, then afterwards salain, and then ibuhos na natin dito sa ating 2 baking pan na size 7 by 3. Yun lamang po. Thank you for watching, beshies. Bye!